Yo, 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 yo. Welcome live. Welcome live. Welcome to the live show, guys. How's it going? Who do we have here? Vincent. Yeah, good day, good day, good day, and welcome to the show. Today is I believe today has been a wonderful day for you, Vincent. Did you equally take this trade? Looking at I think I saw your screenshot on the Telegram. Okay. For those of you who took this trade, kudos to you. For those of you who took this trade, kudos to you. And then those of you who took the lever stuff, okay, lever trade as well. If you are still in this trade, all right, congratulations, because it's actually plenty money, right? Look at that week, guys. Look at that massive week. If you are still in this trade, well, good for you. Okay, good for you. Too much money. All right, so this were the trade we look at during the morning show, and it actually played out. All right, it actually played out, and basically, guys, all right, if you follow the strategy of making 10-20%, now if you do it again and again, okay, you can be doing 5% the first time you enter the trade, 5% the second time, or even 10 to 15% per move. 10 to 15% per move, you can be making profit. Let's even assume that you entered this trade. Okay, you enter this trade right here, right? If you take it down to where it currently is right now, that is 10%. If you have used a leverage of 10x, that is over 100% move in the market. It's as simple as that. All right. But I'm not even looking at that 100% move. I'm not telling you to wait for, because it is not every coin that will go up and then will retrace back immediately by 10%, 20%, and all of that. Okay. So just look at that 10% move. 10% is possible for the pullback, guys. This is the strategy. Stick to that, all right? This worked out well. For lever, it worked out well. And then for the FTT, whatever, is if FI, feed or whatever. Okay, this equally played out. All right. And then other trades as well that we looked at and all of that. So yeah, guys, if you are good, okay, this one, if you took it with market order as I suggested, okay, then you should be in profit right now as well. Okay, but currently I'm still looking at this. We are still at that 200-day moving average, and that is still our resistance currently. Okay, that is still our resistance currently. And we took that trade. For those of you who entered with market order, maybe you would have taken profit around 12.6, and then it bounced back up again. So I still see more shorting opportunity for this trade. Okay, still see more shorting opportunity for this trade. So what we should be doing right now is to look at where we can re-enter this trade. All right, where can we re-enter this trade? That is what we should be asking ourselves right now. Okay, where can we re-enter this trade, guys? I'll still leave my entry to where it is. My entry should be here. If we pull back up to that level again, guys, if we pull back up to that level again, I want to short this trade. All right, once we pull back up to that discount, that premium zone again, I want to short that trade. So yeah, I still have that setup, right? So what I want to see is gradually see this market, do something like, come back up there, just gradually come back to this area before we start looking for a buy trade again, and all of that. All right. So for me, if I should short that trade, for where will I be looking for a buy trade? Look at that. One candle did this. Okay, in one day. In one day we did this. So let me do my favorite retracement tool from here where we started moving, go to that premium level. So if we retrace back to this level here at 12.2, I should be looking for a buy trade. Okay, at 12.2, I should be looking for a buy trade. Okay, $12, $11. Okay, we should be looking to take a trade to the upside. All right. So this trade setup is still valid for your entry 13.14. In case we get back up there, you enter a trade, and then but if you want to enter a market order and then gradually add to your positions, you can do that as well, guys. Okay, if you want to enter with market order and gradually add to your positions as the trade continues to move, you can equally do that. All right, you can equally do that. So yeah, Vincent want us to look at HBAR. Let's see what HBAR has for us right now. Right, let's see what HBAR has here. So HBAR USDT. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I think last week, right? This was a trade setup for last week. For those of you who have been following HBAR, when we were looking at HBAR, that we want to take advantage of the pullback at the 200-day moving average. So yeah, if you have done that, okay, this would have been massive for you guys. That would have been massive for you guys. Currently, we just bounced at that 200-day moving average, and then we are currently slightly above this our resistance zone here. Okay, that zone will now become a support. So the next area we are looking at for this token is around that 0.068. Currently, we are 0.065. So 0.068 is the next area we are looking at this trade to go to. Okay, so you see the candlesticks have started closing on the 4 hours. Have started closing above our resistance level. So here we are going to be looking, to either buy to this 0.069. Okay, or we wait for it to get up there and then we can take a trade to the downside. All right, wait for it to get up there and take a trade to the downside, guys. So which setup now? Which setup? Which way should we go? Which way should we go right now? But I'm going to sell with market order, guys. Okay, for HBAR, I'm selling with market order. I don't know about you, but I enter HBAR with market order, guys. HBAR, where is it? Okay, guys, I'm entering HBAR with market order, right? So you can do that right now if you want. I'll give you a setup. For those of you who want to wait, I'll give you another setup for HBAR. But right now, I'm going to just do market order, do a 10x leverage, and let's see, let's see how far this can get us to. Okay, so yeah, just enter the trade with market order right now. I just want to take like a 10 to 20% pullback, okay? But the overall entering level, for those of you who want to wait for that to play out, okay, you should be looking at HBAR, shorting HBAR up here. All right, you should be looking at shorting HBAR up here, or you can enter a long trade. I will not advise you enter a long trade, guys. I'm not sure if the trade will continue to go up, which is why I entered in market order. But if it continues to go up, okay, short the trade up here. All right, and target this resistance right here. Okay, target this resistance right here if we get back to that level. All right, so that is what I personally would do, going forward in case this breaks above this level that I just entered with market order right now. Okay, in case it breaks above this level that I just entered with market order right now, so I'll be looking at shorting the trade up there. All right, for HBAR, that is exactly the what I personally will be looking at in case it plays out. All right, in case that plays out, that is what I'll be looking at. If you enter with market orders, kudos, it's already in profit for you guys. All right, so once you get 10% move, 20% move, just close the trade and look for another opportunity to re-enter the trade again. Okay, yeah, Vincent, you're always welcome. Okay, I think you're one of those who encourages me here on the live stream very well. I started with you. Okay, when I started, I was always seeing you there. So yeah, thank you too for always being there for me. All right, yeah, Kojo, you're welcome. And okay, is it total loop? Okay, whatever the name is. Okay, want us to look at BL, that's BLZ, right? Yeah, BLZ USDT. BLZ USD. Guys, smash that like button for me. Okay, this token is still doing its village thing. Keep pumping. Can you imagine? Guys, smash that like button, okay? Smash that like button for me, please. All right, it doesn't cost anything to click on the like button, so yeah. Okay, guys, if this token don't break above this area, all right, if it doesn't break above this area, guys, we're looking for a short trade up there. So if it doesn't break above that area, we'll be looking to short the market up here. All right, so our entry will be at that 0.1253. Okay, 0.1253. That's where we'll be looking at shorting that trade. Okay, 0.1253. That is exactly where we'll be looking at shorting that trade. Okay, so if you want to take that trade, go ahead and do that. So let me see. Okay, yeah, 0.12553. That's why we'll be looking at shorting this trade. Or if you want to follow the trend, okay, if you want to follow the trend, guys, you can go ahead and long, and then, you know, if you long now targeting that area, that should give you from here, you should get around 11% move, all right? From here to that area should be around 11% move. So if you want to long, you're at liberty to do that, guys. Your long setup would have been after this pullback, and then you join that trend. But right now, if you want to long from here to that area, go ahead and do that. But I'm not doing anything. I'll wait for it to get to that area, and then I'm going to short. Okay. This is exactly what I'll be looking at. All right. So my short setup will be at that zone there. Once we get to that area of 12 cents, I will be looking to short this trade. Okay. I'll be looking to short this trade. That is exactly what I'll be doing with the BLZ trade. Yep, that is what I'll be doing with the BLZ trade. But if I come over here, it's like BLZ has a lot of BLZ. I think the funding rate is a bit high. Yeah, minus 2%. So when you are shorting, okay, depending on the capital you have, funding rate is minus 2%. So when you are shorting short with the mindset that you are going to be paying for funding rate, and that will equally contribute to your, you know, area of liquidation and all of that. Okay, so pay attention to funding rate. If you are not going to stay in the market to make enough money to cover up for your funding rate fee and the rest, the next funding rate will be in the next 4 hours. Okay, so the probability of you staying here till that next 4 hours is, you know, there. So be careful when you are going to short this trade. All right, funding rate is a bit high, so be very, very, very careful if you are going to short, most especially those of you who have little capital, who are always entering trade at $4, $5, and the rest. You will get liquidated because of funding rate. Okay, you'll get liquidated because of funding rate. So be careful. Minus 2% is a bit high. All right. TRB, yes. What did I say about TRB? Did I say short or long? Yes, I say short TRB. Okay. Short TRB when we get to 13.14. All right, 13.14 short TRB. That's what I said. All right. Ashok's TV. Okay. Short TRB. Short TRB when we get to that 13.1 level, right? Yeah, BLZ, guys. I just looked at that BLZ. Okay, I look at BLZ right now. So yeah. Okay, yeah. You've done 10% already on HBAR. Congrats, okay? Congrats to you, Vincent. All right. Congrats to you. Smart guy. Yeah, a smart guy. Okay, yeah, a smart guy. So yes. 10% already. That's how we roll here, guys. That is how we roll here, guys. All right. No dulling moment. That is how we roll here. Just learn this thing and you'll be comfortable doing crypto as a full-time business, right? Even with your $10, all right? Even with your $100 capital, you can be doing $5, $10 every day. Guys, if you're in Nigeria and you're earning $10 every day, is not a lot of money, all right? Now, when you compound that for a whole month, you should know what you are going home with, all right? There is no how you will consistently trade crypto for a month and making $5 every day, $10 every day, then compounding that you will not be able to pay at least part of your bills. All right. So yeah. So this is a short for the TRB is a short. If you are going to take that trade, yeah, go ahead. BLZ, yeah. If we go back to BLZ again, where is that BLZ stuff? I think I have it there. Yeah, BLZ is a short for me, but wait for it to get to that discount level, all right, down to this premium level of $12, all right. That is where I'm looking at, shorting that trade, guys. So I'm looking at shorting BLZ when we get up there, guys. Yeah, for those of you who took HBAR, congrats. Share your P&Ls on the Telegram with me, okay? Share your P&Ls on the Telegram, guys. If you are not on the Telegram, go to the description of this video, okay? And then first link here will be to sign up for a Bybit account. Those of you who don't have Bybit account, okay? Use the first link there to sign up for a Bybit account, and then you can go to the Telegram, guys, and join. Share your P&Ls. If you cannot share on the group, send it to me, okay? I'll be able to share it on your behalf. All right. All right, guys. So let's look for another trade to make some money with. Okay. Let's look for another trade to make some money with. All right. Yeah. So this is still going. Let's see if we get to that level, right? If we get to that level of 12 cents, then we should be looking at shorting and all of that. Okay. Concerning signing up through your link on Bybit, can I fund my account by transfer from other exchange? Still get yes, okay. Chukun also, yes, you can still transfer money from the other exchange to your account and you still get the 500 airdrop. Okay, the 500 long or short position airdrop on Bybit, yes, you can still get that. All right, just copy the wallet, go to another exchange and send the money, and you can still get that airdrop. Just make sure that when you transfer, you don't trade features. Okay, don't trade features until you get the airdrop, because the airdrop is the one you use to trade features. All right. So yeah, just do that, and you'll get the airdrop. Okay. Yeah. So Bybit is restricting the amount from P2P. Yeah. You don't need. Okay. And minimum amount to qualify for that airdrop is $50. Okay. Minimum amount you need to deposit to qualify for that airdrop is $50. So once you make the deposit of $50, you can leave that $50 in your spot wallet or in your funding wallet. Then go ahead and claim the airdrop. Okay, with the airdrop, you have the money to start your futures trading right now, right? So you don't need to even use the money you made deposit to, or you deposited into Bybit. Maybe at the end of the day, you can still withdraw back your money and still use the money Bybit is giving you for your futures trading. Okay, so yes, guys, look at that. That is still pumping. So for those of you who took long trade for this, for BLZ, BLZ, those of you who took long, yeah, it should be going in your favor right now. So that is still pumping. So we'll wait for it to come take, our level here. Let's wait for it to come and take our level there, guys. Let's wait for it to come take our level there, then we can, let's wait to go and hit our target for the short trade, and then we see where we can take that to. Okay. Yeah, so at that $12, okay, at that 12 cent, be looking at shorting that trade, guys. At 12 cent, be looking at shorting that trade. At 12 cent, guys, be looking at shorting BLZ. Please, when you short, you need to stay in the market for a big long so that you don't say, I shorted, but I didn't see profit. What happened? Or why did I get liquidated, guys? Funding rate for BLZ is high. So you can get liquidated if you are not careful. Okay, let's look at FETH. Yeah, Freeborn, you're welcome. Let's look at FETH USDT. All right, so where are we currently? Let's look at FETH and see what's going on with this. Currently, we are at the $21 level. $21 level for FETH. So not $21, 21 cents, I mean. All right. So right here, before we go for a bit of pullback, though we had a pullback already. Yeah. But I see Fed coming back to that around 24 cent level. But let's look for a quick scalp right here, guys. So for Fed, we can, look at this level right here. Okay. Which is where we kissed that level and then started dropping. So anything above this level will be to take a long trade. Okay. Anything above this level will be to take a long trade. But right now for Fed, if I go to my 15 minutes time frame, what I want to see happen here is if this comes up to this level, right? We come back up to this level of 22 cents. I'll be taking a trade to the downside. So my longs and my short setup will be here. Let me take this out. So my short setup will be there and I can target up to this level here if this plays that, guys. I'll be looking to pick a trade there and take it down. All right, I'll be looking to pick a trade there, just a quick scalp. All right, if we get to that level, I will look to take a quick scalp to the downside and maybe 10-20% move. That will be it, right? But right now, I'm not entering this trade right now. Okay, I'm not entering this trade right now until I see an evidence to enter and all of that. But for now, FETH should be on my watch list, and let's see how that goes. Okay, yeah, let's look at BEKE. BEKE is another good trade to short actually. Yeah, BEKE is another trade that is best for shorting and all of that. So yeah, those are the areas I'm looking at for BEKE. So we had a pullback already. Then we are heading back to that level. Okay. So if we don't break above this level, guys, okay, I'll be looking to sell here. All right. So my entry for sell will be at that $12 level. All right. Short will be $12 at 1-2. Let me do 1-2 0.1250. Okay, let's do 0.1250. So our entry should be 0.1250, guys. So if that trade goes to that area, you can even target this low. If you're going to wait for long, you can target that low, okay? If you're going to wait for long, you can target that low. But this is exactly what I will be looking at for. That is if we don't break above this area, okay? But if we break above that area, then you should be looking at taking a trade to the long side, and then your target should be around that 15 cent level. Okay, 15 cent level, that is a 200-day moving average and all of that. So if we go up, if we break above this level, that is if our stop loss is hit, we break above this level, then target, take a long trade and target $15. But for now, If this plays out, I'm going to be shorting this trade right here, if that actually works out, all right? So that will be my entry for short in case this plays out, guys. That will be my entry for short trade, and I'll be looking to, do a quick 5, okay? A quick 5, 10, 15 to 20%, guys. 5, 15, 10 to 20%. All right, for big, that's what I'll be using, all right? It's tradable money. In fact, as you're claiming the airdrop, okay? As you're claiming the airdrop, you are opening a position with it immediately. All right. And whenever you close that position, whatever profit you made is 100% yours. It's tradable. All right. It's something you can use to trade. Once you claim the airdrop, $10 will be credited into your account, and then you'll be allowed to open a position worth a position, either a long or short position, depending on your choice, okay? With BTC, with a 50x leverage and all of that. So it's a tradable amount that you can use to trade immediately. All right? You can use it to trade and keep 100% of all the profit that is given to you, or as long as you want. All right? Look at that BLZ stuff. So we had a massive pullback there and all of that. Okay, so let's see what this does. And let's look at the market and see. Yeah, we have BLZ up there from 11 to 10 cents. We have big. We have HBAR. Yeah, HBAR equally doing its own thing. So HBAR is already in profit. You can close it and wait for another entry, guys. LPT down by 10%, guys. LPT down by 10% after going to $8 plus. Okay, LPT down by 10%. So for LPT, I told us we should be looking for a buy trade. Okay, be looking for a buy setup. And I say when it gets to 7.3, okay, 7.3, you should be looking to buy at that point on all of that. Okay, Tomo down, high, down, every of this coin down, 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 down. Okay, yeah. Some of those coins that are down, you can be looking for buy opportunity in them. Yeah, look for buy opportunity in all those coins. Believe me, to make a good decision there to profit a lot. Okay, guys, give me a moment. I have a call. Let me attend to my call. Just let me know any token you want me to chat right now. Okay, any token you want me to chat right now, let me know on the chat. I will. Yo. Who's still here with me, guys? I'm back. All right, I'm back. Yes. So let me check HBAR. HBAR. I think we should be looking for another entry. Yeah. Let's close and look for a new entry. BEKE. Oh, I didn't set order for BEKE. Oh, where's that BEKE stuff, Seth? Yeah, thank you, Prince Vincent, for still being around. Okay. Yeah, for BEKE. Oh, look at where he rejected from. He didn't get to, our level. Yeah, our level is 1250, right? Yeah, 1250 is a bit high. 1250 is a bit high, so we didn't get there and then we rejected. Okay, we missed this one, so wait for another one, all right? Wait for another one, guys. Let's do 15 minutes. So let's readjust this. Let's do 53. Let's do 1230, 0.1230. 0.1230. That's what we should do right now. Okay, let's do a quick scalp here. Yeah, we missed this move, but we'll look for another trade entries, all right? So for BEKE, we'll look for another trade entries, all right? So let me check. Currently, okay. Yep. All right, Freeborn, you're welcome. All right, thank you so much, guys, for being here with me. Smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button. So for FETH, FETH is, I think, is approaching our entry level for a short. Steve. Okay, 22. Yeah, that is 0.2254. And currently we are at 21. We have not even gotten the 2254. That's why we are looking to short. 2254 for FETH. Let's look at another one. Okay, let me go to the losers and see. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. That was just $7 recently. It's now 7.1. Okay, let's look at which other token should we look at right now? Okay, let's take a look at high. And then LPT, I think I still need to revisit that. Let's look at high. Okay. For high, I think it's a buy for me, guys. Okay, this is no longer valid. I should be buying right now high. Okay, let's just ignore high for now. We know this one for now. Okay, let's look at LPT and see LPT. We're gonna adjust our entry. I still have a pending order for LPT. It has not triggered yet, actually. My pending order for LPT hasn't triggered yet. Okay, guys. So look at that week. Okay, we just came rejected at that area, bounced up, and all of that. Yeah. I'm going to buy right now. I'll not wait for that 7.3 again. We're almost there at the 7.3 level, actually, where I had the entry before. So for LPT, I'm going to take a long trade and I'll target 8.8 again. Right? So for LPT, it's going to be, let me just enter with market order right now. Okay, can set limit order and let's see. 8.2 is our target, right? So okay, let's see how that plays out, guys. So you can enter a trade on LPT and target anything around $8, okay, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4, or thereabout. Or you can even target up to as high as this level up there, all right, $10. You can target as high as $10, guys. All right, so yeah, let's look at all of your tokens. I have that set up already, so let's see how that works. Let's look at Woo USDT. Yeah, Vincent, you're a great guy, actually. We have traded in more than 3 times. Good for you. So for Woo, we are looking for a long trade, okay? Woo is a long setup for me, okay? Go long, guys, on Woo. Let me. Guys, let's look for entries at the. Let's say if we can see something like this, guys. Let's say if we can see something like this, all right, then we can take a trade to the upside. So I'll be looking to pick a trade up down there, and we can go as high as above the 200-day moving average and all of that. All right. So if that plays out, we take a trade for WU. That is what I personally will be looking at if that plays out. All right. So for WU USDT, I'll be looking at that setup to play out on the lower time frame. On the lower time frame, that is it run or ruin? Is it? I think there should be I in it, right? USDT. Vincent, that should be this coin. Yes, it should. Okay, so let's look at what it does for us. We looked at it this morning, right? It was actually dumping when we looked at it this morning. Yeah, the token is still dropping and all of that. So for those of you who shorted this token, mine is still running. Mine is still running in losses as we speak. So Ruin is still running in losses for me. It hasn't triggered yet. Still far from entry. Look at where I entered. I think I should just add to my positions and all of that. Yeah. So I'm hoping that it will come back to that $1.7 and thereabout. Okay, that is 1.17, 1.1. This is the area I'm looking at for Ruin. Let's see how that works. All right. For now, I'm not doing anything. Okay, just let it play out. Let it play out, and I'm not doing anything on Ruin right now. Okay. So for XLM USDT, let's see. All right. So if you pick LPT, it should be going in profit already for you. So if you did enter LPT with market order, that should already be going in profit for you. So for this trade, we are almost at our entering level, right? We are almost at that entering level. I told us to pick a trade right here and take it up. So allow it to come down to that level. That is the entry. Once we get to this level here, we'll pick a trade and take it up. Okay. So once we get to this level, pick a trade and take it up. That is what I'll personally be looking at for this. All right. Yeah, definitely. So LPT is already going in profit, so secure your profit as soon as you can. Okay, but remember we are targeting around $8 to $10, guys. $8 to $10 is the target. Okay, so if you are not there already, just wait for that to play out, guys. So targeting $8 to $10 means that it can actually take the trade a long time to, maybe a day or two. But for this particular trade, let me just leave it to work, okay? Leave it to play out, and that's it, all right? Just let it play out. Okay, yeah. So yeah, Vincent has traded that to come more than 3 times. So yeah, and if the 3 times all ended up in profit, maybe at the end of the day, today you end up making like $20, $30, $40, $50, and that is something for today at least. That is something for today. Tomorrow you look for another, depending on the capital, your account size, and how much you enter a trade with. Yeah, that's a good one. All right, that's a good one. That's the spirit. That is how we roll here, guys. That is how we roll here. Okay. So UMA, yeah, let's look at UMA USDT. Let's look at that. Okay, I think this token is actually newly listed. So right now we've been consolidating all this while. Okay, we'll be consolidating between this area and this area. So A good entry for me would have been down here. For this trade for a long setup, it would have been down here. So to enter a long setup for this trade, enter right here and target that up. Okay, so this is what I personally be looking at. Since we are still consolidating within this area, then when it gets to this area, you short the trade. It's as simple as that. In as much as for as long as we remain in this zone, guys. All right, for as long as we remain in that zone, that is where we'll be trading. So if we come down there, you take a trade up. If it goes up there, you take a trade down. It's as simple as that. That is what I personally will be looking at, guys. For that particular trade, okay, that is personally what I'll be looking at for. All right, that is what I will be looking at. If it comes back up there, take it down. If it comes there, you take it up. It's as simple as that. But right now, I'm not going to take any trade. I'm not going to enter any trade so that I don't get stuck along the road. I'm not going to enter any trade so that I don't get stuck along the road and all of that. So yeah. Okay, guys. So what's up? What is again? What is? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. All right. I'm looking for a trade that will give me quick money. Now. So LPT going well. Let's see how that plays out. All right. We just hope by tomorrow we'll see LPT on the gainers list at $10. See LPT at the gainers list at $10. That would be, great money for you guys. You know what I mean? Okay, guys, just put it on the chat. Let me try to adjust some things here for myself. Okay, so yeah, I was trying to add to my positions and all of that. So okay, yeah. Yes, let's look at Uniswap. And Uniswap. If you are just joining, okay, smash that like button, guys. And if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe. All right. Okay, so currently Uniswap has been using the 200-day moving average as a support. So you see, we broke that 200-day moving average, bounce there, reject bounce, reject there, and all of that. So yeah, can we get another one? Can we get another leg? That's what I'm looking at. Okay, can we get another leg to look for our entry? I'm looking at the 4 hours time frame. Can we get another leg before a final bounce? So can we get another leg there to enter a trade somewhere around there, or maybe target that high there? Can we get another leg? But let's look at lower time frame and see if it is possible. Let's start looking for entries, and we get another leg up there, guys. Yeah, and Uniswap come back down to this level. That would have been a good entry. Okay, if we do come to reject at this area here, it would have been a good entry for us, because right now I don't actually know what to tell you right now. I don't know what to tell you guys, where to take a trade and all of that, all right? But for me, I'll watch Uniswap. I'll watch it to see it come down to this level. Then I'll be taking a trade, maybe at 5.7, guys. Okay, 5.7, I'll be taking a trade to the upside. For Uniswap, I'll just wait for it to play out, okay? Wait for it to play out. I want to see a situation where something will come back down this way before we go back up, all right? So allow Uniswap to play out, guys. Allow Uniswap to play out. I can't trade Uniswap right now. I've set a limit order for that. So I'm looking for a trade that will give me quick money right now, sharp money. All right. BLZ is still going well. For those of you who entered the trade, it's still going well. All right. BLZ is still going well. If you enter the trade, it is still going well, guys. I need a trade that will give me quick money right now. Quick 10% move, quick 10% move, quick 10% move. Which trade is that? Okay, let's look at PHB USDT and see. PHB USDT. Let's see what's up with PHD. Is it PhD or PHB? Is that PhD or PHB? PHB. Okay. For this token, I don't see any trading opportunity. Okay, so let's look for. Where did I say we should long TRB, right? Where did I say we should long that trade? I think I have that on my watch list. 13 cents, right? Oh, it was even a short though. Anybody in this trade? Is anybody in this trade? Okay, anybody in this trade, kudos to you, congrats. That's going very well. All right, if you're in that trade, it is going very well. Congrats to you. FXS. Let's look at FXS USDT. So we're looking at this ups and down and all of that. So yeah, any of those would have been profit. Actually see a sell for this trade. So what are we looking at? Let's look at daily time frame and see what's possible. I think we should short this trade actually. To me, it's a short. Okay, let me see. Let me see this. I'm going to short that trade, guys. 6.7 and then maybe target something lower. Alternatively, you can wait to. It's a short for me, guys. I'll enter market order, guys. Let me see. Just enter 6.76, okay? 6.76, and let's see what happens. Okay, market order. Gradually monitor and see what that trade does for us. So take profit $6. Let's target $6 as our take profit level. Let's target $6 at take profit level, but put your stop loss very close, okay? Don't because this thing may reverse from here and start going up, all right? So if you check lower time frame, yeah, you see that. So it may reject from here, and come back up here at $7. All right. It may reject from there and come back up there at $7 and all of that. Okay, guys. Any other token you want us to look at? Basically, this one I just entered now is doing me willy. This one is doing summer. Can you imagine? Okay, yeah, TRV is going well for. It's going well for Ashok's TV with 34%. Yeah, make sure you secure your profit, okay? Just make sure you secure your profit. And whenever you close the trade, just share the P&L with me on the Telegram, all right? Share P&Ls with me on Telegram, guys. Always share your result, guys. Share your result to encourage others as well. Okay, guys? Yeah. Somebody is on the Telegram saying give signal. This one we are doing here is what? Is this one we are doing here on the live show is what? Will I be on the live show and be on the Telegram at the same time? I don't understand. Some of you guys say. The one I'm doing here is what? Is this not signals or how is this one called? A signal was sent on the group and then somebody was insisting. At times I look at your comment and I'm like, do people even understand what is going on here? Somebody on the group, was it this morning, say, please, you guys should send signal. And a signal was posted like 2-3 minutes before he sent that message, before he or she sent that message. And you guys should please be dropping signals here. And I wonder, the one that was just dropped is what? You want to make money. You are not ready to learn. Sorry is your name, guys. Will I kill myself? This one I'm doing free videos on YouTube. Nobody wants to watch. You don't want to waste your data. Maybe I'll come to your house and come and sit you down and be telling you that this one looks like this is what the signal look like. You don't even understand what a signal look like, and you're looking for a signal. To do what? You don't understand what a signal looks like, and you're looking for a signal. To do what? To go and throw money around, Abby. When you lose money, you look for who to blame. Okay, guys. All right. So which other token again should we be looking at? Okay, Ethereum, USDT. Okay. Before you can trade signals, okay, before you can trade crypto, for those of you who don't want to pay money to learn, or who don't want to waste your data to watch videos on YouTube to learn, okay, please, if you want to follow us and be successful, All right. If you want to take our signals, you want to follow us in the live trading section every day and be successful, it is required that you have a basic knowledge of how to solve the internet. You should have a basic knowledge of how to solve the internet. All right. If you cannot browse the internet, guys, I wonder what you want me to do. Will I leave the crypto trading that I'm teaching you now to start teaching you how to use your phone? I should start teaching you what a browser look like on your phone. I should start teaching you what to like opening an app looks like, or all of that. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, there are a lot of videos online that teaches you that. So basically, the basic knowledge you need before you even start thinking of is that you should understand the crypto, you should understand how cryptocurrencies are paid. Okay, you should understand what is a stable coin, why it's different from other cryptocurrencies and all of that, why you need a stable coin. These are the basic things. You should understand what a signal look like. When I send a signal, it looks slightly different from what crypto mastermind sends. But all of them are all signal. Even if I say buy or sell, without giving you take profit target 1, 2, 3, it's still a signal, guys. What I'm doing on the live show every day is signal, giving free signal. People are taking advantage of it and making money, and you're there waiting for signal. I'll come to your house and come and post the signal there so that you'll be able to make money from it. Okay? Just wait. One day I'll come to your houses and post signals. For those of you who don't understand what the signal looks like. Okay, for Ethereum, USDT, let's check it. Okay, guys. So this setup no longer valid. So I would have loved to buy Ethereum at 1,800, guys. I think I've been saying this all this while. Okay. My area of interest to buy Ethereum to the long side would be this level down here, guys. If I can get Ethereum back down to that level, I would like to buy Ethereum at that level. Okay. I would like to buy Ethereum at that level, but if not, maybe if we break above this level, then you should be looking at buying at above this level. All right. Right now, I'm not doing anything right now on Ethereum. Okay. I can't do anything right now on Ethereum, guys. I can't do anything. Okay. We are just consolidating at this area. So I cannot do anything right now on Ethereum. So just wait for this period of consolidation to end. And then if Ethereum does something like this, come back to this level, guys, be looking for a buy. And then if it goes back to this level, wait for a break of this level, maybe like a retest, then you'll be looking for a buy to the upside. Okay, that is what I personally will be looking at for Ethereum trade. I'm not going to do anything more than that. So no trade setup right now for Ethereum, or you can just set a limit order to buy Ethereum down there, right? To buy Ethereum when it gets down there and take it up. That's basically what I personally will be looking for. Okay, guys. Looking for a quick token that will give me quick money, guys. Let's look at ARB USDT. I think I long that coin, okay, but closed it. I want to see if I can re-enter that trade again. This was the previous setup, and I closed it. Then we dropped to this level. Guys, you can go long on this coin if you want, but can't it come back down here? That's what I'm looking at. Can't it come back down this area? Then let me just set a limit order in case we come back down to that area. Maybe like this week, come pick it and take it up. Okay. Let me set a long setup here. Yeah. So if we get down to 12, $1, that is 1.128. 1.128. Let's see if that plays out. We'll be taking a trade to the upside. 1.128. So let me go set that limit order. Keep. So if we get to that level, I'll be looking to take a trade to the upside, guys. That's what I'm looking at right now. For ARB, that is exactly the setup I was looking at, okay? Okay, let's look at ING. ING has been around this support level for a while now. It has not broken below it, neither has it broken above. Guys, for ING, I'll be looking for long setup. Let's see if that plays out, okay? But use tight stop loss, okay, so that you don't get taken out of the market. So this is the setup I'm looking at, okay? If this token pulls back down here, I want to take a trade to the upside, right? If that plays out for ING, that is exactly what I'll be looking at, okay, to do. And then the stop loss will be just there in case the market goes against us. We don't need to be in that trade any longer. In case market goes against us, no need to be in that trade any longer, guys. Okay, let's look at two more. Okay, Tomo is playing at the way we projected it to play out. All right, so reject at this area, come back to the trend line, and then maybe go back up and all of that. So from the look of things, maybe Tomo will be rejecting from that trend line. And start going back up. I'm not sure yet, guys. So if we bounce and reclaim this level, okay, I'll be looking to take a trade down up to that level of $1. We got $1.58. So let's see if we can get to $1. We can reject this area back up and go back there. But if we refuse to do that and this continues to go down, then you should be looking at a short trade to the downside, guys. Maybe to the 200-day moving average and the rest. But currently, this is what I'll be looking at. Let's see if we reject this area, and then we can take it back up there. All right. So that is what I'll be looking at for Tomo. All right, guys. So that is exactly all I'll be looking at. All right. I think I have few meetings to attend to right now. Okay. So I'll be calling it a day here for all the tokens we looked at. All right. For those of you who took the trades and the rest. Okay. LPT just went against us right now. It was 7.3 right now. It has gone back to 7.1, right? Yeah, 7.1197 or thereabout. Okay, yeah, but just monitor the trade, okay? Monitor the trade and let it play out. This other one I shorted to FXS, yeah, it's still within that range. So we'll see. Let's see how all of this plays out, okay? Let's see how all of this plays out. And all the tokens I've mentioned there, look at them, okay? And look for opportunities to make money for yourself, guys. I will be calling it a day here, and then we continue tomorrow morning, okay? Let's continue tomorrow morning. And do have a profitable day ahead, guys. Don't wreck your accounts, okay? And thank you so much for always joining me here. What you can do for me now is to smash that like button before you leave. Smash that like button, guys. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We do live streaming every day here to keep you profitable in your journey to trading crypto, all right? So make sure that you're always here to be with us, and let's do this together, guys. All right? Until we see you again tomorrow, bye-bye for now.